Hi, my name is Marcus Martin. I'm located in Scottsdale, Arizona. My company is Pit Stop Auto Detailing and Vehicle Storage. I've been an accredited detailer with Gtechniq for over 10 years. In this area, we service a lot of high-end vehicles, exotic, classic, and luxury vehicles. So the storage component of my business is actually very unique. We have different storage options for our clients. Typically those cars that are in storage with us, oftentimes a client wants ceramic coating, PPF, maintained while it's here, so washed, battery tender hooked up. We offer kind of a little bit of a maintenance type thing for our storage. So yeah, Pit Stop actually started as kind of a side gig for me. Never thought it would be what it is today, but I started just with one mobile truck and trailer. I still have that original trailer that I started with, kind of sentimental. A few years back, I did open up my second location. That's down in Gilbert, Arizona. It's about 30 miles south of here. And we have plans this year to open up our third location at another city here that's up and coming in Arizona. So we're very excited about that this year. I had discovered Gtechniq, and that relationship evolved with Rob Earl and the North American team at the time. And ever since then, beyond the 10 years that I've been with them, we've have offered nothing but Gtechniq for our Halo brand in terms of a ceramic coating at our, through our company. Scottsdale and Gilbert, Arizona are my storefronts. You can also see us on the web, www.azdetailing.com.